Guess what time it is, artist? It's time to announce the winner of the Earthberry pastel sets from my recent contest and promotion. These pastels are so beautiful. You can find a full video review of these beautiful pastels here on my YouTube channel. I'll have a link to that review in the description of this video and a clickable link at the end of this video. Now, here was the contest. I had two giveaways actually. One was just a comment to that review video, I want to win. And the second giveaway was to any of my existing patrons. It was a random drawing. Also, I want to remind you, Earthberry Pastels still has a coupon code Susan10Art until March 31st if you want to check out their pastels. I'll be announcing the winners in just a second, but I just want to remind you of how beautiful these pastels are. I love the shape. Their application is just buttery and beautiful. I also love that they include a color sheet where you can fill in the colors of each number. And Earthberry pastels are non-toxic. They're made from natural ingredients. Isn't this beautiful how they present this? All right, are you ready? Let's announce these winners. Drum roll, please. The winner from my Patreon page out of nearly 1,200 Patreon subscribers is Christine Supple. Christine, I am so happy that you won. She's been a member of mine for 2 years, and she has shared that, much like many of us in my Patreon family, she decided to get back into art after she retired. That's when we finally find some time for ourselves, right? So congratulations, Christine. And now it's time to announce the winner from my YouTube channel. For that winner, all you had to do was comment on the product review video, I want to win. And there were 484 comments on that video. And the winner of the random drawing is Marianne McCart. I was so pleased that Marianne won because in her comment, she mentioned that she and her husband were traveling to the Grand Canyon area. How perfect is that? I was even more pleased to find Mary Ann on Instagram. If you would like to follow her, you can find her at Dan Loves Mary Ann. Isn't that sweet? She has some beautiful artwork on her Instagram account. You might want to check that out. Also, she has shared some beautiful photos, obviously, of where she and her husband travel. Look at this one. It is absolutely gorgeous. And the wonderful surprises just kept coming. I found this photo of her and her husband and a little video. Isn't she lovely? And I found we have something in common, Marianne. We both love the van life and traveling, and we both have pretty darn handsome husbands. I know that my husband and I would get along with you guys great. I just love how art brings us together with like-minded souls. All right, congratulations, winners. I will be in touch with you about how to get these pastels to you so you can start creating beautiful artwork. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. You never know what kind of contest I'll be running. Become a patron on my Patreon page for only $5 and check out that Earthberry product review video right here. As always, God bless and happy painting.